Translated accent. This is December, right? 2024. So increase the Philippines and China to America, the world war from Pacific Sea as 2015. So I wanna agree is very point is the battlefield and I believe for your corrupt in line your president and your religion. So meaning I want the evil in you, the land of your hand, and ended with Bulbotor is low soul. Membro sila ng kasamaan. Kaya hindi sila papayag na madi-destroy ang Philippines o China or whatever the America the vote people because it's not ready for the dead pero ready sila for the criminal act something sad is plaguing around the planet Earth and before the crisis believe ayan yung purpose na yan eh. Kaya hanggat hindi nag-uumpisa yung World War III ng Philippines and China ng Amerika, maraming bansa na madadamay. Yung madadamay. So, grace. So, dramatic because ayaw nila matuloy ang World War III ng China, Amerika, and Philippines because, you know, the end times. Bakit? Diyos pa sila para hukumin ng Lord dahil sa tatlong bansa na to. Who knows this planet Earth? Ang kailangan ng Christ, yung soul ng individual for the beginning and the end, for the age of the Bible and the earth. Sa totoo lang, hindi pa naman mangyayari ang end times ng earth eh. Pag natuloy ang Philippines, America, and China to World War III. Bakit? Kasi lahat sila impyerno at demonyo. Hindi sila kailangan ng Christ. Kailangan sa kanila mamatay at mag-destroy ang bansa nila at mabulok. You know what? For changing your life on earth. Ganun yun. Kailangan mamatay muna tayo lahat para malinis yan at lahat na maiiwan dyan, yun ang mag-change ng life, yun ang magbabago sa mundo. You're not already, I don't believe for your acts because like a TikTok noise never ban the people. Because our exhibit of full text and what going, nakikinabang sila dito in the purposes of fake news. At ginagamit nila to for access to whatever position your country's life for, you know, something mga espiya na nagpapadala dyan sa bansa na yan. At yun yung purpose na yan. Kailangan talaga magtuloy yung World War III ng Philippines, America, in China. Kailangan na ituloy yan. Kasi tapos ng Hamas, Ukraine, Gaza, Palestine, Ukraine. Kayo nga may pakana, di ba, America? Kayo ang nagbully. In-start nyo to voting about your Asian summit in NATO para ma-start ang war nila. You understanding for the crisis to be in both of war because the loose religion and loose soul. Pero yun ang nangyayari ngayon eh. It's very fake. You're fake, you're stronger. Mamamatay ka na lang tanga at old. Hindi mo may papasa yan. Tingnan mo si President Donald Trump. Naging president ng Amerika. Samantala, nung hindi pa siya president before the Biden is always fight. Kasi hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi siya nakakaganti. Ngayon, nasa kanya namang halakha. So, ang purpose ni President Trump and Xi Jinping and Duterte is the real truth to the World War III is coming in this country. Because yun ang purpose nila noon bago naging president si Marcos at si Biden. Dahil sila noon ay magkaka-employed or this change the world and believe to me and all what happened to religion. Hindi mo nakikita sila ang very different monster president and before the Korea King Jong-un or whatever the country in Japan is dead before just because of losing our military is hit. Oh, ganun yon. Kayo mga politician kayo at mga leader, hanggat hit kayo ng mga military, hindi nyo man makukontrol ang kaluluwa nila, no? Nagtatrabaho lang sila at pinapasweldo nyo. Parang ako, nagtatrabaho sa amo ko, paano pag pinatay ko siya, and I will tell you what happened. Hindi mo may tatanggol ang sarili mo. You know, power of food, money, material is your control. Pero pagdating sa fame and personality ng tao, or whatever the soul, hindi mo hawak yun, Mr. President. O sino ka mang taong nilalakaw, rich. Kahit nga ako, hindi ko hawak ang tao na mamamatay sila in the first place. Kung time nila or whatever, poor of the Lord na hindi talaga sila reject, mabubulok sila sa earth. What going to matter is when, because matter your surgical over the body's pound. Old bitch. kumbaga naaagdas ka na, kailangan mo pa ng surgery para mabuhay to extend your life. You never run the world. Kaya ikaw, Mr. President, China, huwag ka nang taktaka dyan at takihin mo ng Philippines at pasukin mo na lahat ng military dyan sa Pacific Sea and Philippine Sea. Pasabugin mo na ng atomic bomb. Pag natalo mo sila, pasabugin mo ng Philippines. Wala namang pakalam sa Philippines yan. Baka nakakalimutan ng China, America, international person. Miracle ako sa bansa na to. Ibig sabihin, this is Philippines. It's time to make as change and destroy the planet and prepare the sexual and Sodom Gomorrah and Israel and raining to the fire. Bakit hindi pa nangyari? Yan ang mga disaster. Yan ang nag-uumpisa na. Baka hindi nyo alam. The world is not my life. Correct? Yun. Kaya mag-isip-isip na kayo. At ngayon, 2025 na, mababago na naman. Ako, kinokontrol ako ng Christ, pero pag hindi talaga ako kontrolin, kahit sinong Pilipino dito, pwede ko patayin. Talaga, hindi ako natakot mamatay at makulong because the God is me, as not you. Yun ang aking pinaglalaban. And over na my life, and this third is my third. Not you. Go to hell. Fuck up.